I'm late because exam was going on, and after 1 month I'm shooting the video. The last I shooted the video was on Tarapet Vlog 3, and on today's video I will going to show you will be going to be the another haul video. It's a Nykaa haul video, and there are few products from Amazon which I bought. So yeah, the box is very big. Let me show you. Very big box. So I bought many things from Nykaa. So let's get into the video without wasting your time. And if you like my videos, then you can go and subscribe to my channel and like my all the videos. And I will going to make more this kinds of video for my examination. I was not that updated on my Insta or on my YouTube. Now I'm going to be updated how much I can. And yeah, these things what I want to say, and let me get into the video without wasting your time. The first product which I will going to show is L'Oreal Paris 6 Oil Nourishing Shampoo. I guess you all heard about this product, that famous this shampoo is, and this shampoo works that good with me also. It gives you 6 benefits with 6 nourish oil. The 6 benefits are: make your hair strong, soft, smooth, thick, shiny and manageable. And the 6 oil which they used are argan, olive, almond, coconut, jojoba, camelina. Yeah, camelina, I guess it's a camelina. And this cost me around 265. You will going to get at a discount price. I will going to mention the price over here. And I also bought the little conditioner pack, and this is my third purchase. Yeah, this is my third purchase. That much I love this shampoo. And this is the conditioner of this same range, and this cost me around 99 rupees, and the both thing work same only because they are from same range. So the next product which I bought is this plum, yeah, this plum mattifying moisturizer, and this cost me around 270. We are going to get at discount price. And this is a very good mattifying moisturizer. Let me show you. This make your skin mattify, and this will going to very good for oily skin and combination skin, because it make your skin mattified. So I guess for dry skin it will be not that good, because dry skin want more hydration, and this is also hydrating, but I guess this will going to much good for oily skin and what you will say. And combination smell is also very soft, very what was it, nourishing kind of, which make your mind fresh. The smell is so good. This is the mattify moisturizer. The next thing which I will going to show you is this Cetaphil Damp Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is a lotion, daily advanced ultra hydrating lotion, which make your skin non-greasy, non-irritating, 24-hour moisturized for daily use, and wouldn't clog your pores, which will not going to make your pores clog. Yeah, this keep your skin moisturized, leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated and smooth. I heard this product so much, so I thought to buy and let use this product. And mostly the things what I use, they're good only. I didn't use any product which I can say anything bad about that product. Most products are good, and they suited me that well. So yeah, this is going to make your skin very moisturized. This will going to very good for dry skin person, because it's very moisturized. And my skin is, as I told, my skin is combined skin, so I mostly use all the things on product. Is so well suited for me. special. And the thing is, when you will going to use the eyebrow brush or this kind of things, please try to use in a very soft hand. Don't rub it so roughly, just use in soft hand, and then only your eyebrow will going to look much good, much enhanced, and will going to give you a natural finish. I didn't use any eyebrow pencil before. This is my first purchase of eyebrow pencil. I mostly bought this product is for this spoolie, not spoolie, this brush. I heard this brush work very well, so I thought, why not me to buy? Let me buy it. And this also cost me around 70 or 90 rupees. Okay, so I bought three things for Swiss Beauty. So I got one free from Swiss Beauty. It's a so good thing. The product is of Swiss Beauty jelly eyeshadow. It's a long lasting jelly eyeshadow. I didn't use it before, and I don't know the price also, because this is the first time I'm using, and now only all the crows used to cow. Sorry for interruption. Oh my god, it's so cute. Can you see? It's very cute. Let me show. Okay, this is jelly consistency. I can't show you because maybe it can fall. The next thing is Miss Claire transparent mascara. This is transparent mascara. The thing why I bought is, all time I used to going to use that black mascara, and which going to give you a very heavy look. And so I thought, and I watched many videos, people use this mascara which is transparent and which give you a natural eye look, which will going to give you a natural eyes will going to look naturally in good lashes. And my lashes is good, not bad. And I didn't use any kind of eyelashes, and I love to use mascaras only. So I thought to buy this mascara, and yeah, this works so well. I use this for many times because I bought this product 1 month before. So the spoolie look like this. It's kind of good, which make your eyelashes volumized. So yeah, I love it, and this cost me around 270 or 250. Yeah, 250, and you will going to get it at discount. Then I bought this lip tint of Dear Darling Tint of Etude House. I heard this lip tint is very good, and this make your lips hydrated. The next thing which I bought is Faces Kanada Kajal. I guess you all know about this kajal. This is that famous, and I heard many things about this kajal. This is really good black finished kajal, jet black, then 24 hours long lasting. So I thought, why not I buy? Why I didn't buy? What I'm saying, let me buy and let me try how the product is. So yeah, let me try, and this cost me around 179. You will going to get it at discount. Okay, the next product is Rose Cleansing Extract Wipes Remover, face wipes, makeup remover wipes. So my makeup haul is completed. Not only makeup, my Nykaa haul is completed. Now I will going to show you the product which I bought from Amazon. So yeah, let's continue. Product which I bought from Amazon are powders. Powders mean all the Indus Valley organic powders. This is hibiscus powder, this is aloe vera powder, and this is amla powder. This hibiscus powder cost me around 249. You will going to get it at discount, I guess 200 or something like that. And then this aloe vera powder, I got it at 150 or something, 179. You were going to get it at 150 or 130 kind of. And then there is amla powder which I got it for 199. Again, you will going to get it at 150 rupees. And there are many variants you can see. And the next thing which I bought from Amazon is red one. Okay, this Via Natural Vitamin B3 Serum 10% niacinamide with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera and rosemary. So this is a serum, vitamin B3 serum. On my last video I told you about the hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, then the things, these kind of things. So you can go to that on my that video. I'm going to add that video in my description box. On that Nykaa purple haul, what are they working for what they are good or that things. So you can go and watch that video. And if you want more detailed video, then you can say me on my comment box or my Instagram DMs, so I can make video on that video on that things which you like or which you want. So yeah, the bottle is like this. It contains 30 ml of product and the price is I got it for 450, but the real price is 695. I got that much of discount. Matlab the 700 price wala product I got it for 450. Can you see? Can you get the difference? How much discount I got? So yeah, these are the things what I bought from Nykaa and Amazon. So I love to make hauls. So yeah, please comment me. These are the few things what I want to say. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. I will going to bring more this kind of videos. Because of my examination I couldn't make more videos, so I'm sorry for that. I will going to make more videos. And stay updated with me with me. Yeah, bye bye. Meet you to my next video. More videos are coming. So yeah, bye bye.